success and I can't admit it.
Are you looking for a Japanese cafe in nature vibes that is not crowded? We found something along Alfonso Cavite. It's different from others' cafes. Here you can think properly while tasting their unique milk tea while relaxing. And many activities here so you won't be bored. Come and visit.